Good afternoon, everyone. Manny here from Ocala Tractor again. I'm going to do a video now on another brand of tractor we got here is the Farmtrac. This is a Farmtrac 25H. This tractor here comes with the loader and the bucket. It's a hydrostatic. It's a 4x4, 3-point hitch in the back. It's got the dual remotes in the back, your rear light. It's got the toolbox. It's got the accessory plugs in the back in case you want to hook up a trailer or something else. Very affordable. This tractor here you can buy for $14,999 as it sits right here without Bruce being on the tractor. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get it started. We're gonna do a little bit of driving around, and you can see how it performs. There you have it, guys. It's the Farmtrac 25H, and it's now available at Ocala Tractor for only $14,995. And yes, this tractor can be financed. So if you have any questions, give me a call. My direct number here is 352-732-8585. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure if you have any questions, any concerns, anything you need to know, to leave it down in the comment line. Thank you again and have a great day.